What's up, guys? Today is Swablu Community Day in Pokemon Go, and also the release of Mega Altaria, which is really fun. So we're going to be getting some shiny Swablus, which we don't have yet. Most people are mad about this, but it's actually okay for us. And
it just turned 11 o'clock, actually. Just waiting for
our we stupidly forgot to charge our battery packs.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Oh.
Anyway, also, some cool stuff that's happened to us in the past few days.
Yeah, so last night, I was just catching some fairy types because I had the research, because I didn't want, because, you know, sometimes, because I was in the house, I was in my house, so I can't really get many fairy types, so I caught this random Jigglypuff, and then I caught, like, a few Snubbles, and then, like, a Spritzy and stuff like that, because I had to catch 5 and 3. So after that, then I was just appraising all of them to see how many of them I could transfer, and then I realized we got a Hundo Jigglypuff. So I ran and told Jaden, and he was like, "What, really?"
Yeah, so we both got it. Yay.
I would show it to the camera, but no, because you probably couldn't see it.
Okay, yeah, but anyway, so yeah, that's some cool stuff. I also got a shiny during Spotlight Hour and a Snubble a few days ago, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll show you guys some highlights from Swablu Community Day.
Bye.
All right, guys, so we're about almost an hour and a half into Community Day. Autumn is popping off with shiny luck, as usual, in calm days.
Let's see, 9 shinies so far.
I have 5. So, we're not doing the best, but, I mean, obviously, at the end of the day, it's about getting, like, you know, good IVs and completing the shiny family and getting some, like, and just having fun. It's not really about the shinies, the number of shinies that you get. But anyway, we forgot to mention that they announced that Gibblecom Day is next month, which is going to be awesome.
And what's pretty funny is that in recent videos, this was before either Com Day was announced, we got the shiny Altaria card and the shiny Gibble card before they were ever announced.
Yeah.
And then they were just announced. So basically, it is the biggest coincidence ever. So so we pretty much like guessed the Com Day.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. But the unfortunate thing is that they're not releasing Mega Garchomp on Gibble Community Day, which I'm very surprised about and kind of sad about, because shiny Mega Garchomp is just like the most amazing shiny Mega there is in the world. So that's unfortunate, but Gibblecom Day is still going to be awesome. We really did not think we were ever going to get a shiny Gibble, but we are on June 6th, so be tuned for that vlog. Anyway, let's get back to the shinies. Bye. All right, guys. So we've been doing some more Swablu checks or whatever, and Arms Go Plus picked up 2 back-to-back shinies.
Yeah, it was insane. I named them both Go Plus because obviously.
Yeah.
But,
and now we're going to Buda to get some field research tasks and to try to get some good IV shinies because I have yet to evolve one to Altaria because of how much candies it costs and how I don't really want to use too much and then get a better one that I'd rather evolve. So
because
yeah.
with our luck, we'd get like a 98 and then we'd evolve it, and then after that we get 100.
Yeah, that's literally So I'm just gonna wait, and then at the towards the end of the comm day, I'll just evolve. I actually got a shiny from the special research, but it's bad. It's like a 76%. So
But actually, the shinies that I got from the Go Plus, the first one was 2 stars.
Show it.
And the third one, okay, so here was the first one's IVs.
that is bad lighting.
You can't.
Yeah, there.
And but then this was the second one's IVs.
That is pretty good.
So it's
I think
like
that's
15.
an 82. Yeah,
And
that's
also,
an
my
82.
first shiny was a 91. So I
Nice.
love that.
Yeah. Okay, so we're heading out to Buda. See you guys later. Bye. Okay, we're on a trampoline again. We haven't done this since Magmar Community Day. Wow. Okay, anyway, so sorry we haven't been doing that. We haven't done that many updates in this video just because we were really busy playing the community day. I ended up with 20 shinies, which was okay. One more than a Snivy Comm Day, so that's fine. And then tell them how many you got.
35.
She beat her record by 3. So that means that the past 2 community days, she's gotten at least 32 shinies. 32, 32, 35. That's pretty impressive.
I also got back-to-back shinies.
And then she got back-to-back 2 other times.
Yeah.
So yeah, she popped off today. I don't know. It felt like every minute she'd just be like shiny.
Yeah.
And be like, okay. Well, anyway, so that was a pretty fun community day. We will be our next Pokemon Go video will be Gibble Community Day. And that will probably be our next video on this channel because of how hard it is to find Pokemon cards right now. And unfortunately, yesterday they officially stopped selling cards at Target, which is unfortunate because that was like one of our 2 places that we usually get them around here. But Gibble Comm Day on June 6th, and then also June 18th, hopefully, we will have our big Shilling Rain opening. But, you know, it all depends on if we can find it, but we probably will. Because our local store at our mall usually comes in the clutch with all that stuff. They were stocked up on Battle Styles when we came there. So yeah. So I guess that wraps up our vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!